is a video of my apartment post Hurricane Sandy. I got some of my clothes and belongings out already this morning at around 7 a.m. They were on that dresser and partly wet. Everything is wet inside of there. Up to that drawer that's opened, it's wet. See the line against the dirt line. That's how far it went up in here, so my mattress is soaked. My electronics might be okay. I don't have power to check them. But my desktop computer is done. Maybe my Clarisonic might be okay. Apparently there was stuff coming up from the drains too. I'm trying to get my car towed. That is totally destroyed. It's totaled. This was, it was turned over, well, almost coming out from the wall. We put it back. We can't move the fridge, and my microwave is actually being propped up by, the fridge is being propped up by my microwave. Dog food. I was able to save a few things. My family photos are up there, and a few things that were up there. Otherwise, pretty much everything is soaking wet or destroyed. That piece of furniture right there was located right in this corner. It floated all the way over there. My backyard, the fence is blown out, and I had to swim all the way to St. Helens from here. And this is how I had to get out of my apartment, through this window, with water up to the window, which is up to my chest. And that's about it.